Starting with the top news, most of the agencies in USA are behind all those crypto exchanges which didn't comply with any regulatory lessons, especially in US, will be shut down soon. Right now we have more than 47 centralized crypto exchanges. All are working well, but still some exchanges are performing entirely well with remarkable and unique features, but still are not as much known. So in this video, we are going to discuss about an exchange which has more easy to use interface and number of altcoins are already listed on it. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
AEX exchange was founded in 2013, one of the oldest crypto exchange. More than 260 altcoins and about 286 pairs are live at the time of this video. And the best part of AEX that you have multiple options available on AEX exchange. Now, how you can sign up and how you can do your first trade. Simply you have to sign up just by clicking over here and then enter your email address, your password, and simply you can sign up on the main platform of the AEX, and simply you can log into your account and start trading on this. Basically, AEX cracked open the door for the users to obtain the GAT. Now what is GAT? GAT basically is a native altcoin global AEX token. So before that, something about the AEX. So overall, the AEX rewards the GAT to users according to their transactions activity, mining pool contribution and value sharing, which maximizes the fair acquisition of GAT and liquidity improvement. On the one hand, AEX accelerates the GAT from the beginning of the output to interact with various cryptocurrencies through announcing the GAT trading sequences of spot trading. Here you can see the option of the spot also, classic, advanced, perpetual, contract. So something about the spot trading. The professional crypto review system provides you with high quality projects to meet your multiple investment needs. As I told you that we have more than, I think, okay, we are going for the trade first of all. For example, now I'm going to click on the classic. Now the best part which I love the most about this exchange, they have all the options. For example, if you want to see all the new altcoins, simply you have to click on this icon new, and then you will be able to check out all the latest listed coins on the main platform of the AEX. For example, you want to trade in NFTs, then you have the options, all the altcoins which are working for the NFTs, so you can trade all those coins. If you want to trade the DeFi altcoins, simply you have to click on the DeFi and you can trade over here. So everything is basically systematically done on this exchange, and you have the chance to trade this to trade any altcoin on this exchange. But before that, you must have to bind the Google Authenticator or the mobile verification, then you will be able to trade on this exchange. Now something more, basically it is an interesting thing about the AEX that AEX has obtained the USA MSB license. Now what is this? Basically, AEX has obtained the USA MSB license. USA MSB, short for the Money Services Business License, is a finance license supervised and issued by the FinCEN, belonging to the registration licensing system. MSB is obliged to monitor VIP enterprises and professionals, safeguarding the benefits for markets and investors. As we started the video, I told you that now SEC is behind all those crypto exchanges which don't, at this time, the exchanges which don't have even a single authority or a license. So the best part that your funds will be safe because the AEX has all type of licenses. AEX first introduced Doge, Ripple, BTC, NEM, Stellar, with some rising over 1 million times. Now something more about the AEX, that AEX will expand the finance business under the compliance supervision, guaranteeing the users asset safety with having more fee choices to allocate the assets. So overall, it is one of the best thing. Now something more, About the main features, multiple financial modes, wide revenue aggregation. Now what is this? Basically, AEX spot trading zone drives the value through circulation. 4 trading sequences of USDT, USDC, CNC and BTC can meet the rapid trading and conversion between the various tokens, and users can seek good opportunities in price fluctuations. The best part, their charts are even working for only and only microseconds. So that is also a great thing about this altcoin. Now we are moving towards the GAT, that how the GAT will work and what will be the price prediction of the GAT altcoin in near future. So basically the GAT practice has achieved the great success. GAT, short for the Global AEX token, is an international journal integral listed by the AEX with a total circulation of 23 billion. GAT has a share close to 58.7% to participate in the digital financial market and circulates in spot finance, mining, loan and other financial derivatives. Basically they are the AEX team. At this time they are giving you multiple options like AEX savings, mining market, DeFi pool, C2C loan and even the AEX loan. Now what is AEX loan all about? So the AEX loan is one of the best feature of this exchange. For example, if you have BTC and Ethereum but you don't have USDT to trade, simply you can deposit your BTC or Ethereum on the AEX exchange and then you have the chance. For example, here you can see, for example, if you have 1 BTC, you will be able to collect 23,230 USDT directly from the AEX exchange. So it means you don't have to sell your cryptocurrencies. By obtaining your cryptocurrencies, by saving your cryptocurrencies, you have the chance to get the loan and even you can trade something more. So this is one of the best feature of this exchange. Overall, as per my own idea, this exchange will be huge because they are complying all the rules which are suggested by the SEC. Secondly, number of new altcoins are taking the entry on this big exchange. 1 million plus traders, 300 plus trading pairs and 8 years plus safe operation. So you can better understand that either this exchange is good enough for you or not. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.